With Storm, we are providing hurricane simulator. So basically, we provide opportunity for anyone, for wide audience to try out, to discover hurricane in safe environment. From breeze for toddlers, even up to category 2 hurricane for teens and for grown-ups. So yeah, and we give you this possibility to play with the wind and to have fun, and also to have high educational value.
If the goal of this whole project and this technology was to create a new human experience, it has been a smashing success, because there is literally nothing like it. Nothing like getting in a giant 4,000 kilogram, 200 horsepower mech suit. It amplifies your strength by about 50 times.
So yeah, this journey started around a year ago with the Great North Air Ambulance Service, who asked us to come up and trial this concept, and it worked so well that we've spent the time in the interim, alongside all the other things we do in Gravity, actually developing the equipment further so it can fly faster and further for longer, and also training up some of the paramedics as well.